Hello, and welcome to Kasfia's Accounting Services House, where we are repairing the gap between CPAs and small business owners. I am your hostess, Kasfia Rashid, but everyone calls me Kash. In this video, I wanted to tell you a little bit more about myself and what you can expect from this page. I grew up in Brooklyn, New York, and I earned my bachelor's degree in accountancy with a minor in economics and finance in 2005. I started my career in a mid-sized CPA firm, completing books and records for partnerships, corporations, and trusts. I transitioned to the hedge fund industry in 2008. I know, not the best time, but I absolutely loved it. And I moved to Richmond, Virginia in 2011 while still working in the hedge fund industry. In 2015, I climbed off the corporate ladder and in order to start my own bookkeeping business. And for the last 3 years, I have been helping small business owners, entrepreneurs, and charitable organizations start and maintain an automated record-keeping system so that they can spend more time on their passion and less time on their books. My tool of choice is QuickBooks Online, and I am a certified QuickBooks Pro advisor. What that means is that I had to take a test to prove my knowledge of the software. Please note, I am not a CPA or an enrolled agent. I do not like taxes and so have chosen not to do them ever again. What I love about my business is educating not only my clients, but anyone really, on how proper bookkeeping practices can help change how they look at their business as well as how they look at their lives. And that brings me to what you will find on this page. So you can expect to find accounting and bookkeeping tips, tax preparation and record-keeping tricks, industry do's and don'ts, and a lot more. So if you have a question or a suggestion on a topic, leave a comment below. If you find this information valuable, go ahead and subscribe to my page and share it. I can also be found on Instagram at Kash the Bookkeeper. That's Kash with a K. So thank you for tuning in, and all companies need a little cash.